students, so today we are going to discuss the chapter number 3, how many squares. Okay, so students, आप लोगों ने previous class में पढ़ा होगा different shapes के बारे में, जैसे कि squares, rectangles, triangles, hexagon, pentagon and etc. Okay, आज हमारे पास chapter है squares के बारे में. So इस chapter में हम पढ़ेंगे square और rectangle में क्या relation है, स्क्वायर से हम एरिया कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं एंड मैनी मोर थिंग्स. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो वी हैव गिवन अ बॉक्स इन हियर. ओके, दिस इज अ बॉक्स दैट इज अ rectangle shaped box. Okay, and in this box we have given some dots, and this is saying that measure the side of the red squares on the dotted sheet. Draw here as many rectangle as possible using 12 such squares. So आपके पास कहा गया है that आपको ये रेड स्क्वायर जो यहाँ पर दिख रहा है इसमें 4 डॉट्स के बीच में आपको इसको मेजर करना है और रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म करना है. ऐसे ही 12 स्क्वायर्स का यूज करके हमें रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म करना है. सो 1 स्क्वायर इज दिस एंड दिस स्क्वायर इज ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर. So let's measure. Put this 0 point on this dot and then 1 is at this dot. So this is 1 centimeter, and from here this is also 1 centimeter. Similarly, these 4 sides are of 1 centimeter. Okay. Now when we draw 12 more squares, so it will form a rectangle. Okay. Like first square is this, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So when we draw these lines, this will form a rectangle which is made out of 12 squares. Okay, so you can form as many squares as possible. And next we have given how many rectangles could you make. So we can make many rectangles from it. Okay, so you can do this activity on your notebook if you want. Now here you can see that these are 12 squares and this is also forming a rectangle. You can see here this is a rectangle. Okay, now each rectangle is made out of 12 equal squares, so all have the same area but the length of the boundary will be different. So अगर आप different rectangle form करोगे तो आप देखोगे that उनका area same है पर उनकी जो length है, okay, length of the boundary different होगी. Okay, now which of these rectangle has the longest perimeter? Now students, because you are using only 12 squares each time, so area will be 12 square centimeter because 1 square is of 1 centimeter. So similarly 12 square centimeters. Okay, now boundary will be different because if these bottom 6 square will form along with these 6 square, so this time boundary will be different because length will be more and breadth will be less. Okay, now which of these rectangle has the longest perimeter? अब हमें बताना है कि कौन से रेक्टेंगल का लॉन्गेस्ट पेरीमीटर होगा. ओके, सो पेरीमीटर क्या होता है? पेरीमीटर इज द बाउंड्री. ओके, व्हेन वी मेजर द बाउंड्री इट इज कॉल्ड पेरीमीटर. ओके, सो सिमिलरली यू कैन चेक डिफरेंट रेक्टेंगल दैट हैव फॉर्म्ड एंड मेजर द बाउंड्री. ओके, एंड यू कैन से दैट which has the longest perimeter. Fine. Which of these rectangles has the smallest perimeter? Similarly, you can find out this answer. Okay. Now, perimeter को कैसे find out करना है ये हम अभी आगे जाके देखेंगे. Next we have measure stamps. We have given different type of stamps in here. Okay. Now you can measure the area. How? Just look at the first stamp that is given in your textbook. And we can see that this stamp is covering some squares. Okay, this sheet is made out of squares and this first stamp is covering some squares. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That means this stamp is covering 18 squares and each square is measuring with 1 centimeter. That means the area will be 18 centimeter square. Okay, or 18 square centimeter. Fine. Similarly, this stamp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This stamp is covering 12 squares. That means the area that this stamp is covering is 12 centimeter square or 12 square centimeter. Okay. Similarly, we can check for these other stamps. Now let's come here. Look at these interesting stamps. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? Okay. तो हमने बताया कितना स्टैम्प कवर कर रहा था ये A वाला, that 18 stamps. Okay, so you will write here 18. And stamp B is covering 12. Which stamp has the biggest area? So this is 18, this is 12, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 square centimeter and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square centimeter. This is 4 square centimeter and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is also 12. Now which stamp is the biggest area? So कौन सा stamp का biggest area है? This 18. Okay, 18 square centimeter वाले stamp का biggest area है. Okay. Now how many square of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? तो कितना एरिया कवर कर रहा है? 18 centimeter square. Okay. How much is the area of biggest stamp? हमें बताना है कि कितना एरिया है biggest stamp का? 18 square centimeter, because it is covering 18 squares in which one square is measuring 1 centimeter. Okay, so that's why this is 18 square centimeter. So you will write 18 in here. Now which two stamps have the smallest area? So first E1, that is 4 square centimeter, and C1, that is 6 square centimeter. How much is the area of each of these stamp? तो हमें एरिया लिखना है कितना कितना है 4 centimeter and 6 square centimeter. Okay. D part, the area of the smallest stamp is dash square centimeter. So smallest stamp हमारे पास E वाला है, that is covering 4 squares and the area is 4 square centimeter. That is why you will write here 4 square centimeter. Now the difference between the area of smallest and the biggest stamp is dash square centimeter. अब हमें बताना है कि smallest और biggest stamp के बीच में एरिया का कितना डिफरेंस आ रहा है. सो बिगेस्ट हमारे पास है 18 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर and smallest is 4 centimeter. So when you minus these 4 square centimeter from this 18 square centimeter, you will have 14 square centimeter. Here the difference between the area of smallest and the biggest is 14 square centimeter. Okay, so this is how we measure area while we have given region in unit squares. Okay, now student, let's come and discuss some important fact about this chapter. Rest, you have given some activities, you can learn those activities and can enjoy the chapter. So what is perimeter? As I said before, perimeter is a boundary. Okay, now the word peri in Greek means around and meter means measure. Okay, so Greek में जो peri का मतलब है, peri क्या है? Peri एक ग्रीक वर्ड है. ओके, जिसका मतलब है अराउंड. ओके, एंड मीटर का मतलब है मेजर. देयरफॉर पेरीमीटर मीन्स मेजरिंग अराउंड अ फिगर. सो इसलिए पेरीमीटर का मतलब क्या हुआ? मेजरिंग अराउंड फिगर. किसी फिगर के अराउंड मेजर करना है. अराउंड यानी कि चारों ओर. ओके, नोट, वी कैन फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ क्लोज फिगर. ओके, सो पेरीमीटर हम केवल क्लोज फिगर का ही फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. फाइन. And close figure क्या हुआ? This is open figure because the starting point and the end point are different. Okay, we can differentiate. And close figure is where start or end points are same. Okay, So this is closed figure and this is open figure. Okay. Now example, we have given this figure. Now we need to find out the perimeter. So this boundary is of 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. So perimeter is equals to sum of sides. Sum of all the sides. When we will add these 3 sides, this will make this boundary. Okay. So this is sum of all the side is perimeter. So sum is 4 plus 4 plus 5 is 13. And because the unit are centimeter, so centimeter. 13 centimeter is the perimeter of this figure, which is triangle. Okay. So similarly, you can find out the perimeter of any kind of closed figure. Okay. Now, what is area? Area is amount of surface a figure covers. Okay. So area क्या होता है? Area होता है amount of surface कोई figure जितना surface cover करता है. Like if we have this figure and this figure is covering some surface on this notebook. Okay. That means the area will be the amount of surface this is covering. Okay. So area measured in square units. Area को हम square units में measure करते हैं, like centimeter square, meter square. Now we can find out the area of a closed figure. So again, area can be found out for closed figure. Okay. Area can be expressed in square units such as centimeter into centimeter is equals to square centimeters. Meter into meter is equals to square meters. Kilometer into kilometer is equals to square kilometers. तो हम इसकी यूनिट्स को कैसे लिखते हैं? स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, स्क्वायर मीटर, स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. ओके. नाउ देयर आर 2 मेथड्स टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया. हम एरिया को 2 मेथड से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज बाय डिवाइडिंग अ रीजन इनटू यूनिट स्क्वायर्स एंड देयर आफ्टर काउंटिंग द यूनिट स्क्वायर. सो हम किसी भी रीजन को स्क्वायर में डिवाइड करके उन स्क्वायर्स को काउंट करके एरिया फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि अभी बुक में हम स्टैम्प्स के लिए फाइंड आउट कर रहे थे एरिया. ओके. नाउ सेकंड, बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला. नाउ फॉर फर्स्ट, व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग some region and dividing it into unit square. Okay. So what will we do? Rules to remember. We ignore or do not count the squares that are less than half. Okay. And if a square is more than half, we count the area as 1 square unit. Okay. Let's understand this. So students, here you can see we have given a square sheet. Okay. A region is divided into unit squares. Now there are some figures in this sheet. Okay. When we see this first figure, we can see that this is a square and the half of this square is this. Okay. And if we see that this particular part of this figure is less than the half of this square. Okay. Full is this and half is this. Okay. And this part is less than half, so we will consider it as 0 or not a square unit. Okay. Now similarly, we can see here we have given this box and here is the half of this box. Okay. And the area is more than half, so this is 1. And similarly, there is this box. This is full, so this is also 1. And this area is less than half, so this is 0. Okay. And this is more than half, so this is also 1. And this is also 1, and this is more than half, so this is also 1. So area will be, count these 1 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 square centimeter. Okay. Similarly, B, we will ignore or we will do not count the squares that are less than half. Okay. So if there is any square that is less than half, we will not consider it. Okay. Similarly here, it is less than half. You can draw a midline from here. So this is less than half. So we will not consider this part, also this part. And this is more than half. We will consider it as 1, 1, and this is 1 and 1. So area of this figure is 4 square centimeter. Okay. So rules is we will ignore if the square is less than half, and we will count it as 1 if the square is more than half. Okay. Now second, we have area by using formula. What will we do? We have some certain formula and we will put the given data we have given and find out the answer. Okay. So area of rectangle. So rectangle के लिए हमारे पास area क्या होता है? L into B. L का means है length and B का मतलब है breadth. Okay. So when we multiply length with breadth, it will give us the result of area of rectangle. Okay. For example, length of rectangle is 7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Find the area of rectangle. So we have given length 7 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. So let's find out the area. First we will draw a rough figure for this. So this is the rectangle and this is length. L is equals to 7 we have given, and this is breadth. B is equals to 3 centimeters given. So what will we do? We have area of rectangle is L into B. So put the value 7 into 3. So 7 3 ja 21 square centimeter. Okay. So this is how you can find the area of rectangle by using formula. Okay. Now let's come to the area of square. So for area of square we have formula side into side, because in square we have same length and breadth. That's why we are using side into side. Okay. We do not say L into B or length into breadth. We say side into side. So if we have given only one side, we can conclude that other side is same. Okay. For example, the side of a square field is 20 meter. Find its area. So हमारे पास एक स्क्वायर फील्ड का जो है वो साइड दिया है 20 मीटर और हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. So let's begin. So let's draw figure for the square first. Let's say this is our figure for the square field. Okay. And the side is 20 meter. That means all the other side will be same. Fine. Now area of square. So area of square is side into side. Okay. So put the value. Side we have given 20 meter into 20 meter. And 20 into 20 is 400. Fine. And meter into meter is square meter. Okay. So you can find the area of a square by the given formula. Okay. That is side into side. Now students, this is the introduction part of this chapter, how many squares. So in next video, I will discuss some questions related to the concept of area and perimeter of rectangle and square. So I hope the concept is clear to you. So I will see you in next video with some questions. Till then, keep learning and take care.